Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you a very simple but very useful tool of Adobe Illustrator. Typically, placing multiple objects evenly around a shape can be quite challenging. At times, it can even feel frustrating. However, in Illustrator 2025, a powerful new tool makes this process effortless. Start by drawing a path. In this example, I'm using a circle. Ensure that each object is grouped separately before applying the tool. Select the circle along with all the objects you want to arrange. Now, go to the toolbar where you'll find the new object on a path tool. Select it, then click on the path you want the objects to follow, and watch the magic happen with just one click. You can easily move the objects around the path. Use the slider to control spacing and adjust their rotation. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. Thank you for watching.